Happy New Year's Eve 2018. Hope everybody's doing well. It's Fred. Welcome to the Camping Family Channel. I'm out here in Oregon. It is raining here in northeast Ohio. Yep, rain. But the our winters usually are in January, February anyway. So out here in the rig, we've got the topic for today is upholstery. This bounder, this 2014 36R bounder, had some issues with upholstery. It had started to go bad prior to us buying it, and kind of really went downhill after we started using it. So it was known when we purchased it. After doing some research in the online forums, we found out that it was a known issue between Flex Steel and Fleetwood, and they never did anything about it. So our only options were either reupholstering or getting covers. You know, just going to Amazon and measuring and getting covers. But we chose the route of reupholstering. Just a little view of where we're at with these. I mean, you can see the material just peels off. They're all junk. This is just from our normal use, unfortunately. Over here on the sofa bed, I mean, you can see the material is just flaking away. Absolute junk. Yep, Fleetwood and Flex Steel knew about the issue, didn't do anything about it. And you can see over here too, same way. Material's just flaking. So we found a local upholsteryman who was recommended to us that does work for the big box stores around here, the Camping World and General RV, those type of stores. And we called him up and made an appointment. He's coming out today to pick the stuff up. He's on his way now. So I just want to do a quick video and show the befores. And he's taking this back to his shop and gave us the option to either go find our own fabric after he gets the measurements, or he had some of his own he could throw on here, but we chose to just get the measurements and go to our local, we have a Joann Fabric, a big box store that carries a nice selection of fabrics, and we'll get some recommendations from him on what he would put in, you know, an RV. So that's kind of where we're at. We're excited to do it. It is pricey. You know, if you just wanted to recover. I mean, I actually had bought a captain's chair cover from Amazon and tried it. And it ran $50, you know, prime, shipped. And I put it on there, and it was, I wasn't happy with that quality. So it was like, well, it kind of sealed the fate on the, you know, having everything reupholstered. If you're going to do it, do it. And our quote, I think, is right around $2,000 to have all the pieces done. But that's where we're at. It's nice doing it this time of the year for us because we're not going to be camping till late April anyway. So it just made sense for the gentleman to have the, you know, have the chairs and the sofa and everything, and he can do it over the next couple months. No rush, and we'll be all right. Anyway, just doing a quick video. Hope all's doing well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. We've got a lot of fun activities coming up in 2019. You know, follow up on this upholstery. We've got some projects coming up that I didn't do this year, and who knows where we're going to be traveling to. So please subscribe if you haven't. Anyway, thanks for watching.